In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your calendar in Outlook 2025, step by step. Start by opening Outlook on the web, or go to office.com and choose Outlook, then switch to Calendar. In the left panel, select a calendar, open the three-dot More Options menu, and choose Color. Assign a distinct color to each calendar so you can identify items at a glance. A simple, effective scheme is blue for meetings, green for personal, purple for deadlines, and red for urgent tasks. If you're using classic Outlook on desktop, just right-click a calendar, choose color, and pick the shade you want. Next, take advantage of categories inside individual events. Open an event, choose Categorize, pick a color, and rename categories to match your workflow like team meeting, admin tasks, or client calls. Colors on calendars help you see which calendar an event belongs to, while categories help you see what type of event it is. Using both gives you visual clarity without changing how you schedule. Create multiple calendars to separate life areas. Click Add Calendar, choose Create Blank Calendar, and name it for work, personal, projects, or deadlines. You can toggle calendars on or off to focus on one area or overlay them to see conflicts. This keeps everything in one place without mixing contexts. If you collaborate with others, add people's calendars and group them. Go to Add Calendar, select people's calendars, add your teammates, and organize them under groups in the left panel. This makes it easier to compare schedules when planning cross-team work. For anything that repeats, set it once and let Outlook handle the rest. Create an event. Click Repeat, and choose daily, weekly, monthly, or custom. Recurring events are great for weekly stand-ups, monthly reporting, and daily routines. Adding an end date for long series prevents clutter later. Use reminders to stay on track. Open an event, use the reminder drop-down, and pick a lead time like 5 minutes, 15 minutes, an hour, or a day. Choose a time that gives you enough runway to prepare without becoming noise. When scheduling meetings, use Scheduling Assistant. Create a meeting invite. Open Scheduling Assistant. Review everyone's availability. Pick a time when attendees are free and send the invite. This reduces back and forth and double bookings. Streamline your view by hiding weekends or showing work week only. Open Settings, select View Settings, and choose Work Week, toggle Show Weekends, and turn week numbers on or off as needed. If you work across regions, add time zones. In Settings, search for time zones, add a secondary zone, and display both in your calendar so you can schedule confidently across locations. Finally, clean up old events. Switch the calendar to list view, select outdated items,